All right, you know what time it is. We gotta load the truck because we are headed the hell out this bitch. So let's go. Okay, I need back. These are going in the truck. That bag? Yeah, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to carry that. That thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. Oh, Jesus. Just open it up. Boom, locked, loaded, and ready to go. Now we gotta get in the car. We're all locked and loaded and ready to go. We are headed out. We're gonna grab some lunch and then we have a pretty good drive ahead of us. So anyway, we'll see you tonight for dinner. Hope you have a good day and we'll catch you later. Bye.